watch to the sky. Yeah, I've been singing through songs while watching my window, hoping someone would cry. Looking through the whole scene, rain falling down, maybe just not today. Yeah, rainy skies making you go bye-bye. Why can't you just fight it through? Yeah, 'cause I need a bit more. Now why can't you rain on me, making it cold, making me feel free? But where are you now? Yeah, don't keep me waiting for shadows to come, 'cause I need it out too. Rain on my eyes, yeah. Hold up, I hear my raindrops keeping me awake till midnight, but why does the sound come in all sides? Maybe 'cause I've been waiting or dreaming for something to show up and climb to make it into chill night. But eesh, sometimes I take steps too far, leaving me nothing left to love but the one to take a move on. But yeah, this ain't the way to love, but now it's itching me too far, 'cause I just want some rain to my eyes, keeping down low, keeping feels so bright. Never do we watch to the sky. Don't keep me waiting for shadows to shoot, 'cause I need it out too. Rain on my eyes, yeah. Maybe it's me who needs control to watch my feelings from off the crowd, yeah.